the time of the day. Morning, asubuhi. Asubuhi. Afternoon, mchana. Or evening, jioni. Night, usiku. The common numbers, the first numbers. 1 is moja. 2, mbili, 3, tatu, 4, nne, 5, tano, 6, sita, 7, saba, 8, nane, 9, tisa, 10, kumi. Then from there you say kumi na moja. That is 10 plus 1. Kumi na moja, kumi na mbili. You begin with the way we were beginning, moja mbili tatu. So kumi na tatu. 14 is kumi na nne, kumi na tano, kumi na sita, kumi na saba, kumi na nane, kumi na tisa, 20, 21, 22. You say from 20 is 20, 30 is 30. So if it's 31 is 30 na moja. If it's 35 is 30 na tano. It's the way we began with moja mbili. 40 arobaini, 50 hamsini, 60 sitini, 70 sabini, 80 themanini, 90 tisini, mia, 100. 102 is mia na mbili. 200 is mia mbili. 250 is mia mbili na hamsini. 1000 is elfu. Let's look at the common phrases or the useful words. Yes, ndio. No, hapana, maybe, labda, now, sasa, later, baadaye, long life, maisha marefu, no worries or no problem, hakuna matata or hakuna shida. I am satisfied, perhaps by this meal. Nimeshiba. I want, ninataka. I want to go, ninataka kwenda. To go is kwenda. I want to buy, nataka kununua. To buy comes in kununua, to buy. I am tired, nimechoka. I am lost, nimepotea. I don't know, sijui. I don't understand, sifahamu. How do you say unasemaje? In Swahili, kwa Swahili. Unasemaje kwa Swahili? How do you say in Swahili? Can you repeat that please? Can you repeat that please in Swahili? Sema tena tafadhali. Repeat that slowly. Repeat. Sema tena. That is repeat. Sema tena pole pole. Slowly is pole pole. Who? Nani? What? Nini? Why? Kwa nini? Where? Wapi? When? Lini? Swahili proverbs and the phrases. Together for one goal. Together is pamoja. For one, kwa lengo moja. For one goal. Goal is lengo. Lengo. Together for one goal. One of the proverb which says a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step or starts with one step. We say haba na haba hujaza kibaba. Slowly is the best course. Slowly is the best course. In Swahili, pole pole ndio mwendo. Slowly is pole pole. Hurry has no blessing. Haraka haraka haina baraka. He who praises rain has been rained on. Asifuye mvua imemnyeshea. Mvua, sorry about this, it has no W here, it's mvua. To live long is to see much. Kuishi kwingi ni kuona mengi. Much is mengi. Kuishi is to live. Long is in here is kwingi. Is ni. So kuishi kwingi ni kuona mengi. To get lost is to learn the way. Kupotea njia ndiyo kujua njia. To get lost is kupotea. Njia is the way. Is to ndiyo. So kupotea njia ndiyo kujua njia. Let's look at the miscellaneous. Peace, amani, love, upendo, work, kazi, enough, inatosha, beautiful, mrembo, slowly, pole pole, strength, nguvu is u, not o, u for you, nguvu, bad, mbaya, long life, maisha marefu, cool, poa. Then let's look at this. Beautiful, nzuri or mzuri depending on how it's used. Sick, gonjwa, gonjwa, good, nzuri. A piece of cloth that is worn by women, especially in the African countries, is called kanga or leso. It's a piece of cloth worn by women, cloth or kanga. So that is the end of our Swahili language, which is a guide for everyone who's traveling and some basic terms that you can use around. I look forward to having more lessons with you, so invite more others to join, and if you have a question, just drop them and let me know where you have problems. Until next time, see you around.